blocks command. You can reach it in a number of different ways. If I can display now the format pop-up menu, it was floating, so I can activate it. Now it's activated. We can reach the blocks command in that way. You could type blocks in the command area or get it from the format drop-down menu, and the shortcut B will work. So when you activate the command, up pops this dialog box. It has lots of interesting information in it. We've highlighted plant symbol 106 now. Tells me the location in the hard disk where the block is actually stored in my computer. I can insert this block into the drawing, but take a moment or two to read some of this. 167 objects, that means there's 167 lines in and other entities in the block. A block's a combination of a lot of things all wrapped up together. And there's one reference, one instance, so that block's been used once in the drawing. We move away, we may be able to see where it is. It's over here in the drawing. We can display the base point. That's that little red dot in the center. That means when we insert this block, it's going to be anchored at that point. We could edit that block at this stage if we like. Let's do that. We'll edit the block. What we'll do is select a couple of these symbols, and we'll just change the color. We can change the line type or the layer that it's on. So we'll give these a different, let's make them quite bright so they stand out, and then we'll close the block editor, and that takes us back into the drawing. And you can see as I zoom in here, you can see that the block has been edited. Those new colors have been applied. Let's go back to the block command. So what else can we can display hidden blocks. There may well be some blocks, sub-blocks, if you like, within this block that we can display or not display with that tag. My advice is to leave those tick boxes both on. You can rename the block if you wish, and so on. Our help button at this stage is not working. We will activate that at some future time. So I can close at that point. So a block is just a collection of entities. We'll show you in the next movie how you make them. But in gCADPlus, if you click on Library, Plants, go to Standard, you can see all of the blocks. They're just separate symbols that we give you. There's some elevation blocks and some so-called modern blocks. Let's go up another level. We've also got a group of sized ones. So if you want to look at the grasses, they're there, different grasses. So you can scroll up and down within a folder by using the up and down arrow on your keyboard or with the mouse. So once we've selected one, we can say open, and that block that we've selected will go into the drawing. So managing your blocks, knowing which blocks are in the drawing, learning to insert from the blocks and using the blocks command are important skills to master when you first come to gCADPlus.